Hey guys, Nikki here at Bobby Combs RV Center, and I have our Catalina rep here, Chad.
Good afternoon.
So, Chad is going to tell us a little bit about these two Catalinas I have behind us.
So I have one floor plan here that I want to show you that's going to have a really cool second option. This is our Catalina Legacy Edition 343 BHTS. So what's going to be really cool, it's a triple slide, big 21-foot awnings on here. This model comes with a big bed slide up front here that we're going to show you, a nice big bunk room in the back, and a really nice outside kitchen. We also have almost the twin with our really cool second queen bedroom option in place of the bunk room. So if you really end up wanting two real legitimate bedrooms, that's going to be the 343 BHTS with the two queen model in it. Both of these are going to be 50 amp service. Both of them have washer dryer prep up front here. They're going to be big features for these layouts. Let's take a look at them. So in the standard version of the 343 BHTS, we're actually here in the back bunk room. So this is going to give you an easy ability to sleep as many as 6 in here comfortably. You can even fit 8 if you open these futons up and turn the whole floor into a big mattress area. And then we're going to have an outside kitchen area below this big bunk with the entertainment center here. So a quick showcase of the outdoor kitchen on this 343. We have a little light there. Nice cast iron top griddle cooktop out here. Flip down cargo rack that can also work as a table area space outside. Your own sink to its own dedicated gray water tank, big refrigerator and storage. We're in the same version with the optional second queen bedroom with a bed slide. So you've got a bed slide here. You've got all of this additional storage area here. This is going to be what's in place of the bunk room and the camp kitchen.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling.